Hey guys, so big news for Ronin, and this will be my third video on Ronin because I'm actually really bullish on this blockchain, and this is not a paid sponsorship. I really think this is a potential 50x, 100x in the next few years. That's why the big news is that they recently did an airdrop of this particular token to people that held Ronin token or staked, or they basically held one of these NFT collections. And I have actually mentioned this particular Moku NFT collection because there is a lot of going on and the floor price is only around $200. And Ronin actually announced a guild and Ronin partnership a while ago, but I think this is the first actual airdrop because in January 3rd, you can see on their X Twitter account, they said that you want to make your guild Ronin account and sign up, and you will probably get something. And what I did everything, and I got a small token airdrop, but this was so easy because you don't have to do anything, just hold Ronin in your Ronin wallet or stake it for some yield. So again, if my price target for Ronin is around $100, and right here you can see the Ronin price is around 1.80, which means that price has dumped. That's why this is a great buying opportunity in my opinion. And by the way, everything I'm saying right now I am posting on my Patreon first. So for early alpha, if you don't want to miss out on early alpha, early calls, because it's much easier to just post on my Patreon, go on my Patreon, sign up, only $10 a month. I'm posting multiple times a day. There is so much happening. I am in alpha groups in this Admit 1, 555 with big influencers, big people, with well-connected people basically. And if you want to get early alpha, go to my Patreon. Thank you for doing that. You are supporting me and I am able to make these videos and bring you some more alpha. And the best part about this guild app is that they already said that they will be doing future airdrops for their upcoming games. There are basically 4 tiers that you can get: bronze level, silver, gold, and mystic tier, which means that you have to buy the mystic Axie Infinity NFT, which costs right now around $16,000, 5.5 Ethereum. I think it's quite cheap for what you get because I think there will be a huge token allocations, huge rewards for the mystic, basically Axie Infinity holders. You can see there are around 300, I think 300 NFTs, 300 mystic holders. That's why if I could afford to buy it, I would definitely buy it because you don't have to do anything, just buy it, sign up with your wallet and wait for opportunities, because I think as we get closer to the crypto bull run, and the NFT prices, the Axie Infinity prices will go up anyways. More and more people will be bullish. More people will understand that Ronin, in my opinion, is the biggest NFT, biggest gaming chain. And there are many NFTs as well. Again, I want to show the Moku, really cheap. They will be doing their own airdrops, and looking at the fact that GTA is most likely coming out in this year, most likely late 2025, I think gaming will pop off. Also in few days, President Trump is coming, is basically taking the office. His administration will be doing something with crypto on a day 1, which is latest news. I think this dip was the last dip. I actually thought we will dip to 80,000, but fortunately we only came down to 90,000. That's why I think there will be not so much dumps until 21st. Then we will see what happens then. But Ronin is quite cheap. If you're looking that, in my opinion, it could go to $100. That's more than 50x returns. But again, this video is not a financial advice. That's just my opinion. And again, if you want to get early alpha earlier than this video, go on my Patreon. That's where I post everything and many things that I don't even talk about on YouTube. That's why if you enjoyed this video, press like, press subscribe, press the notification bell, so every time I upload, you get notification instantly and you don't miss out on alpha like this. So thanks for watching and see you in the next video.